Now we are going to learn the properties of division. Okay. So let us understand what are the basic properties of division. The very first property is called as the zero property. So what does this property say, children? The property says any number divided by 0 will result 0. Okay. So any number, if I divide by 0, the answer will be 0. Similarly, 0 divided by any number cannot be divided. So what do you mean by that? If I say 0 divided by 5, my answer is 0. Okay. Same thing, if I say 5 divided by 0, it is not possible for me to find the answer. Okay. Similarly, 0 divided by 100 is 0. 100 divided by 0 will be undefined. Okay. This symbol means it is undefined, which means that it is not possible for you to divide the sum. The answer cannot be solved. Clear? So, the first property says that any number divided by 0 will be 0. The same like multiplication, that if you multiply any number with 0, your answer is 0, right? So, similarly, if you divide any number by 0, the answer will be 0. Clear? Shall we move to the next property? Okay. The next property is property of 1. Okay. Now, let us see what does the property of 1 have to say. So, the property of 1 says any number divided by 1 will be the number itself. So, any number which you divide by 1 will give you the number itself. For example, if I write 5 divided by 1, what will be the answer? It will be the same, 5. Similarly, 100 divided by 1, what will be the answer? It will be same, 100. 96 divided by 1, it will be the same, 96 itself. Okay, say 1000 divided by 1. Very good, it will be the number itself. So, are you clear with this particular concept, children? So, any number divided by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Clear? Now, come to the third property, that number itself. So, what do you mean by number itself, children? Number itself means that any number divided by the number itself will give the answer 1. Any number divided by the number itself will give my answer 1. For example, if I say 5 divided by 5, I am dividing this number with the number itself, that is 5 I am dividing with 5. So, my answer will be 1. 1000 divided by 1000, Again my answer will be 1. 96 divided by 96. My answer will be 1. 25 divided by 25. My answer will be 1. So, if I divide the number by the number itself, that is by the same number itself, my answer will be 1. Clear? So, shall we summarize the properties of division once again, children? The very first property is zero property. The zero property says that if any number is divided by 0, the answer is 0. Whereas, if 0 is divided by any number, the particular sum cannot be solved. Clear? The second property is property of 1. The property of 1 says that any number divided by 1 will give you the answer, the number itself. Okay? And the last property is the number itself, which says that any number divided by the number itself will give you the answer 1. So, based on these properties, we are going to solve our sums.